Bolt.new is an AI-powered app builder that focuses on helping developers and teams move from idea to production faster. Unlike many pure no-code platforms, Bolt takes a developer-first approach while still being beginner-friendly. You can describe what you want in natural language, and Bolt will generate structured code. But the difference is that you also get direct access to that code. This makes it flexible enough for both quick prototypes and more complex projects. A big strength of Bolt is that it doesn't just stop at code generation. It also includes hosting, deployment, and domain support, which means you don't need to juggle multiple tools. Whether you're creating a simple website, a SaaS app, or an internal tool, Bolt gives you the option to launch it live straight from the platform. For teams, it adds collaboration features, admin controls, and centralized billing, making it a realistic choice for startups or growing companies that want to streamline development. Another highlight is scalability. Individual developers can use it as a personal AI coding assistant, while larger teams can roll it into their workflow with features like private registries and shared design systems. This balance between no-code simplicity and developer control is what makes Bolt stand out. Now, let's talk pricing. Bolt offers a free plan, which is great for testing and smaller personal projects. The Pro plan costs $25 per month and is aimed at individuals who want unlimited projects without daily limits. The Teams plan costs $30 per month per member, and that's where you unlock team-level features like granular access management. Finally, there's an enterprise plan with custom pricing, which includes advanced security, dedicated support, and flexible billing for larger organizations. In short, Bolt.new is ideal if you're a developer who wants AI to speed up coding while still keeping full control, or if you're part of a team that needs collaboration and scale. It bridges the gap between no-code convenience and developer flexibility, making it one of the stronger AI app builders available in 2025.